Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see exercise 7D. Color 1/2. 1/2 means one has been given. 1/2 means half. We have to color half of this picture. Okay. Then we have to write the factors, division factors. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, how many birds are there? 14. In that, we have to divide half. 14 by 2 is equal to 7. Or, you can do another thing. 1 by 2 of 14 is equal to 7. Okay, understood? So you have to color 7 birds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 birds you have to color. Okay, next C. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 birds are there. So, how to write this? 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. So, or half of 20 is equal to 10. Okay, understood? Next, color 1/3. So 1 has been given. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 1/3, right? 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 1/3 of 6 is equal to 2. You have to color 2. Okay. Here, next B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, how to write this? 12 divided by 4 is equal to, divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Or how to write? 1/3 of 12 is equal to 4. So you have to color 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 you have to color. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Or 1/3 of 15 is 5. Understood? You have to color 5 puppies. 4, 5. Up to 5 you have to color. Okay. Next, color 1/4. 1/4 you have to color 1/4. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 12 is there. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 1 by 4 of 12 is equal to 3. 3. So you have to color 3 puppies. Okay. Sorry, 3 fishes. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How to do this? 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4, or 1/4 of 16 is equal to 4. You have to color 1, 2, 3, 4 dolphins. Okay. Understood? Next, solve the following. A. 1/4 of 36. How to solve this? It's a similar. You have to divide 36 divided by 4. How much? 9. Okay. Next, 1/3 of 24. You have to divide 24 divided by 3. How much? 8. 1 by 2. Half of 16. 1 by 2 of 16. 16 divided by 2. Answer is 8. 1/4 of 28. 7. 1/2 of 20. 20 divided by 2. 10. 1/3 of 30. 30 divided by 3. 10. Okay. Understood? Next, use the pictures to solve. Prices are given for 1 kg. Okay. I bought half kg apples for rupees. Half kg apples. Apples for kg it is 80. For half kg, 80 divided by 2. Okay. So how much? 40 rupees. Okay. Next, 1/4 kg chickus for chicku. 48. For kg it's 48. For 1/4, 48 divided by 4. How much? It's 12. Okay. 1 kg mangoes for 1 kg mango. It's 90 rupees. I spend. So you have to total this. You have to. It's 2. I spent 142 rupees. Okay. Next, I bought 1/3 kg grapes for rupees. For grapes, it's 66. 66 divided by 3. 22 rupees. Understood? Half kg mangoes. Mangoes for kg it's 90. For half kg, 45 rupees. Half kg chickus. For chicku, 48. 48 divided by 2. 24 rupees. I spent. I have to add. ₹92. Understood? Understood? This is about the exercise 7D. Tomorrow we will see chapter checkup. Okay? Thank you.